Open more doors to organization. The roomy interior of a French door refrigerator. The order and visibility of a side-by-side freezer. Get a seamless built-in look. And store ingredients in style. With premium accents from top to bottom. Wood-look sliding storage trays keep ingredients organized and within reach. Sensors continually monitor temperature to help keep things fresh. A custom freeze zone stores food between frozen and chilled. So ingredients are ready to be scooped, baked, spread, and enjoyed.